Okay, so for this example, ask you to prove the identity of 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta equals to tangent theta plus secant square theta, secant theta square. Okay, so we can start from our left hand side, where 1 plus sine theta over 1 minus sine theta here. Oh, okay. So you can compare whether you want to start with left hand side or right hand side, which is easier. Obviously you can see you can compare with in the term of trigonometry. Sine is already very simple. But here we have second, we can simplify some more, right? Then you see the operation. Dalam operasi sini satu je. Tambah tolak dan di dalam satu term dah. Tetapi untuk operasi sini, you still can square, you still can add up, right? So we will start with the part with more difficult to simplify to get the simplest form. So if you start with the simplest form to get the complicated one, then it will be very complicated. Your proving will be very complicated to get. So like just now, we start with the two terms, simplify until we get one term. It will be easier. Then you start with one term, then you will go and split up to get two terms, right? So kita akan pilih bahagian yang kamu rasa susah. Bukan rasa saja, tengok operasi, tengok trigonometric term yang mana kita boleh buat banyak sikit. So nampak kita boleh buat banyak operasi di sini, betul? Kita boleh square, kita boleh pecahkan jadi simplify dalam satu sebutan saja. So we will start from right hand side, which is the operation of tangent theta plus secant theta square. So kita start daripada bahagian sini. Supaya kita boleh simplify daripada segi trigonometry, you boleh nampak tangent boleh simplify lagi, secant you boleh simplify. Square kita boleh buat kembangan. Betul? So if you just now you start with this, like nothing we can do. Sign we cannot change. The operation also very simplified. We don't know what operation we can do, right? Okay, so we'll pick this side and then we simplify until we get this answer. Okay, so we simplify for tangent first. Try to get in terms of sine only. Tangent is equals to sine over cos. Second, 1 over cos. We simplify the term. Get same to the denominator. Dah penyebut dia dah sama, kita jadi satu sebutan saja. Tak payahlah jadi dua. So yang atas ni akan jadi sin theta plus 1. Then we going to square it. Okay, so you can see 1 plus sin theta it appear already. It come appear already, but it's not exactly like this. Dah dapat bayang-bayang dia, kan? Tapi belum dapat lagi final answer lagi. So we still need to carry on. So in the middle, when you're doing proving, kalau kamu dapat laluan yang betul, cara yang betul, dia akan nampak gaya dia semakin nak dapat. Kalau kamu lagi buat macam lagi tak nampak, maksudnya proving tu dah sesat jalan dah. Okay. So here we can square, we can get numerator square and denominator square. So dah selesai. We done the process of squaring. Then we notice that what? Numerator is almost want to same with the answer here already, but denominator haven't. We have to settle this cos square theta. So how to settle this cos square theta? We can use our identity formula, where identity formula cos square plus sine square theta will be equals to 1. So we can change this cos square equals to 1 minus sine square. So we are close to this answer already. our cos term already changed into the sine. Okay, so continue. How we simplify to the answer? 1 minus sine square theta, it can be factorized. One minus sine theta, it can be factorized because a square minus b square, you can factorize a plus b, a minus b, where your a is 1, and then where your b is sine. So when you factorize it, it will be a 1 plus sine theta, and then 1 minus sine theta. So for numerator here, I rewrite sine square, sine theta plus 1 square is dalam dua kurungan. Then you can see we can simplify. Where this factor 1 plus sine theta can be simplified. 1 plus sine theta, theta plus 1 is same. Then we rewrite our answer 1 plus sine theta. Denominator 1 minus sine theta. So fluent.